Welcome to LAPPS channel. This video contains the tutorial of joining spatial data on ArcMap. In this video there are satellite imagery, data point, and polygon. I will join the data attributes from data point to polygon, and later I will only use the overlapping data from them. Let's begin. Open ArcMap. Then load the image. Polygon feature. And point feature. Now, go to Toolbox, Analysis Tools, Overlay, then hit Spatial Join. Set the polygon as the target features, and point as the join parameter. Then set the output file. You can choose one of these join operation, and the join features. If it is ready, then hit OK. Wait until the process is complete. Now, open the attribute of the output file, right-click on it, then open Attribute Table. Here, there are the attribute from joins data with point and polygon. Now, I only need the contained informations from class name column, so I will delete all blank rows. Go to Select by Attributes, then select the class name. Hit the Get Unique Values, then choose the blank. Hit Apply. Right-click on Joined Polygon, and make it able to be edited. Go back to Attribute Table, right-click in this left side, then delete Selected. Wait until the process is complete. Now, there are only contained info from class name column. Stop editing, and save the result. Let's check the joined polygon that already been cleaned. Now, compare the attribute from these three features. Open their attribute tables. There are only FID, shape, class name, and class ID on point feature. From shallow water, or polygon input, there are only FID, shape, and ID. While from joined polygon, there are all of information from point and shallow water. Thanks for watching and don't forget to practice. See you on next tutorial.